Man, black people, boy, y'all done. Boy, y'all one of the silliest races on the fucking planet. Yes, I said y'all, black people. I'm not. I'm Native American. I ain't identifying myself as no fucking black person. Well, y'all over here killing each other over fucking chicken sandwiches from Popeyes, like trying to cut lines and shit, fighting. I don't understand that shit over a chicken sandwich. Popeyes is not even that good. That shit is over fucking rated anyways. A lot of people that I know personally tried the shit and said it's not that good. So what the fuck is y'all doing? I mean, this shit is ridiculous. Bitch is trying to cut line, getting mad because motherfucker won't let her over. Silly bitch, you gotta wait your turn. Damn, y'all motherfuckers retarded and get mad when other races call y'all ignorant because you are ignorant. I mean, come on. Dude got stabbed over a chicken sandwich at Popeyes. Somebody tell me how that makes any sense. Or somebody make me understand that. Can y'all not cook? I mean, I can make you a chicken sandwich. Tastes way better. I give it to you for free. Tastes way better. I mean, I just don't get it. Y'all did this the last time the shit came out. They taking y'all money, making y'all look goofy at the same time. I just don't understand the shit. It's kind of funny and sad at the same time. This shit crazy. Over a fucking chicken sandwich from Popeyes. Y'all wild.